Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you a full guide on how to disable the Messenger app's floating notifications. If you find these floating notifications intrusive or distracting, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the chat bubble icon with a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it, then tap on Install to download and install the app. Once you've signed into the Messenger app, go to your device settings. The steps to access settings may vary slightly depending on your device, but generally, you can find it by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon, or by finding the Settings app in your app drawer. Great. Now look for the Apps option within your device settings. It might be labeled as Applications or App Manager, depending on your device. Once you're in the Apps menu, search for Messenger in the list of installed apps. Tap on the suitable result to access the Messenger app settings. Now, within the Messenger app settings, look for the Notifications option. It may be labeled differently on some devices, but it should generally be located within the app settings. Almost there. Now, find the option that says Allow Floating Notifications or something similar. This is the setting we want to disable to turn off the floating notifications. Finally, simply tap on the toggle switch next to Allow Floating Notifications to disable it. This will turn off the floating notifications for the Messenger app. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the Messenger app's floating notifications. Now you can enjoy a more focused and uninterrupted messaging experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.